Hey guys, Czar here. Good morning to you. Hope all is well. It is 9:40. We're 10 minutes into the American session, the New York session, and I'm watching the Dow here. Notice the Dow spiking up big time over here on the 30-minute chart. You see that? Tapping into a little resistance level. But notice the three sisters. Wow, what a divergence. You see this? You can see the Dow rallying strongly while the NASDAQ is selling off strongly after NVIDIA announced earnings, released earnings last night after the close. There was a big spike up here yesterday. See this way over here? Now it looks like a little moderation of that euphoria in the NASDAQ and the S&P kind of going along with it in sympathy. The Dow, on the other hand, going the other way. So I'm looking at this divergence and I'm thinking of what this might be able to do for me and for us in terms of trade setups. We're in a negative moving average configuration, of course, and a sequential wave downtrend here on the Dow and the S&P. The opposite happening here, on the NASDAQ and the S&P. The opposite happening over here on the Dow. I'll be watching this. I'll put you on pause now. I just wanted to set the stage, but as we see things set up here, there might be a trade in here for us. I started this morning with a losing trade, actually, in the UK session. I went long right here on the Dow. It's a little premature. Rallied a bit into profits and then came all the way back and stopped me out just below here. Turns out the idea was correct. I was just a little bit early to the party, and that's fine. A nice routine loss of just 1 hour. I'm able to absorb those and move forward. On pause now. I'll bring you back. All right, guys. Trend continuation right here. Break above this candle breaks it. There it is, guys, right there. In. I'm long the Dow. Long the Dow, risking 29 points. Let's call it 30 to make 60. Trend continuation trade here. There's my actual entry. Just over on my own platform, and I'll refine this here in a moment. Explain why I'm doing this. Has everything to do with what I'm seeing on the three sisters as well. Risking 30 to make 60. Target 592, 592. Patience now. That's 1 hour. That's 2 hour. That's 1.5 hour. Just being patient here. Oops. Cancel. Target 1. Target 2. Target 3. 1 minute chart on the right hand side. So, three sisters, very quickly, overextended or extended down to 2.5 standard deviations on NASDAQ, somewhat less on the S&P, basing, at least starting to base here on the S&P, and then bouncing off VWAP, very important, on the Dow. Target 1 has been hit, so the target, the all or nothing, 1 hour all or nothing traders have now exited the trade with a full profit. And may have moved their stop to break even. Sorry, the scale out traders may have moved their stop to break even while taking out 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 4 pieces of the 6. And if you watch my videos recently, you'll know exactly what I mean by that. Being patient here. Patience. You'll see support from the S&P here, breaking above the 9, having micro double bottomed here. Target 2 has been hit. So the target 2 all or nothing traders have profited fully on this trade and they're done for the trade. The scale out traders have taken out partials on target 1 and target 2 and possibly moved their stop to break even or even advanced it somewhere up here. Patience. We'll watch this now. Price is advancing. We're trying to. My Razor's Edge profit-taking models. Model 1, all or nothing. Fully profited. Model 2 have scaled out 2 pieces here and 2 pieces here. They still have 2 pieces running on a 6-unit basis. Model 3 has scaled out 3 units at target 1, 2 units at target 2, only have 1 unit left on the table and perhaps have tightened stops all the way up to here. Completely up to the individual trader. The Model 4 trader has scaled out 1 unit at target 1, 2 units at target 2, and are still holding 3 units or half of their entire position. This is a more aggressive trader with a back-end loaded scaled out model. Patiently now. Pulling back a bit here now. Trend continuation trade, guys. 3 sisters you can see actually not being supported at all by the NASDAQ, and that's okay. Sometimes this just makes sense. This is what I won't tell you what. I'll do a whole video on this particular structure here. But this idea of breaking through VWAP, breaking below VWAP, back up again, and then bouncing off VWAP, to me is a very potent setup with positive moving average configuration and extension in the other sisters. It's almost like these elastics have been pulled back and stretched beyond what they can handle for the time being and are due for a pause. And that's what we saw, of course, a pausing here and a pausing here on the S&P, breaking down now a little bit. But this strongest of the 3 then catapults higher, and that's what we're taking advantage of in here. I'll put you on pause for now, bring you back. Trying to advance here. More big push to do it. And we're done, guys. 60 points to our winner. So the models, let's take a look at these very, very quickly here. All 4 models profited fully in their model. All or nothing trader, whether they were at target 1, target 2, or target 3 all or nothing, took out all 6 units at their level. They were able to accomplish that. The Model 2 scaled out 2 at target 1, 2 at target 2, and 2 at target 3. The Model 3 trader scaled out 3 at target 1, 2 at target 2, and 1 at target 3. And then Model 4 the opposite, 1, 2, and 3, saving those 3 for the biggest target target level. Thank you for being with me today, guys. Have an amazing afternoon or amazing day. It's still the morning, of course, 9:52. We're not even done the first half hour of trading. I've taken 2 trades today. One loser for -1R, and then this winner for +2R. So +1 on the day, +1 I should say on the day, and we're off to a good start. Thanks for being here. Thanks for clicking the like button. We'll talk soon.